new friend today. Her name is Jonalyn Vlog. So find her YouTube channel and subscribe to her, guys. I will put her link below. We just managed to find her because we were looking for a bathroom, and I'm going to Tai O Village. Yeah. So we're already friends on YouTube. So you also hit the subscribe button. And see you again next vlog. And I will update you later. Happy Sunday! So we just landed at the bus station, and now I'm going to find my way going to the Tai O village. This place is very beautiful, and actually this is located in the southern part of Lantau, and this is the one of the remaining fishing village of Hong Kong. And if you come to this place, you will witness the olden China culture. So with me and just we take a look. We come here just not only to see the view and also try the delicious food, local foods here, and meet some other people. So come on, join me, guys. This is the old style of houses here in Hong Kong, and this is called a stout house. You can rent a boat here and going to this area here, and this is called a Venice of the Orient. It's very nice to see all this place, and just nice to enjoy and unwind the life. The way how they do the fishing here, and okay, I think we are doing the wrong way. This is the dried squid. Oh my! Such a big squid. That. What is this? Curry fish ball. Yeah. Yeah. And this is the sauce.
Yeah, fish ball is spicy.
This is a very huge fish ball. Oh, very nice. The fish ball have a taste of a curry in it, and it's very spicy. Oh my god. I finished my fish balls because I am very hungry. So there's another one there. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. This is a very famous Tai O Donut that you must try when you get here. It's actually a very long queue, and there's one couple, and they say they go next because I have to wait. So they say just grab one yours, and then we can wait. So it's just nice like that. This is very nice. It's very soft. As you can see, inside is very soft, and the bread is not very heavy, and it's not very sweet. It's perfect for coffee. You might find it weird because mostly donut is round, but this is not round. It's a funny shape, but it's really yummy, and it's very hot. They're really always running out of donuts, so you have to wait. Actually, in earlier there's a long queue. By the time I get into my line, it's not that much already. I think I need a cup of coffee. Imagine that drinking coffee with this beautiful. Hi everyone. Now this is my husband. The bread is look like pita bread or it's very crispy and it's freshly made with some lettuce, and then this is a minced pork and it tastes like shrimp paste in it. Very nice. The pastry is very crispy. Although the meat is a bit salty, very thirsty. I need some drink. So let's go find it. Thank you. So now I have my fried squid. Oh, smells nice. Yeah, it tastes like squid. But now, the sauce in it is a little bit sweet and a little bit salty. Kind of chewy. Wow, very nice. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Chinese crepe. Crepe? And it's actually quite big for one person. It's 30 Hong Kong dollars. It's a lot of food. And we want to try this now. Oh, it very smells nice. The smell of the coriander in it. And and you can customize what flavor you want to put. And this one just pickled veggies in it. It's a mustard pickle and some sesame seeds. I have my very famous egg waffle. I have to queue there for very long because what's the best about this egg waffle is because he cooked it using a charcoal. My mom's always say that anything cooking in charcoal tastes better than the modern machine electric cooking method. So we gotta try this while it's hot. It's very crunchy. There's a long film there. Look at that. Unlike other local market, you can choose what flavor you want, peanut butter, jam. This one here is just plain, but a lot of hue in there. Very nice. and it really tastes better. It's not very sweet. For me, it's just okay. I mean, I'm okay with that. I'm okay not too sweet. This place is very nice and it's very there's a lot of people here. Like this hour is already no sunny and it's already cold. So a lot of people taking pictures because of that wall there. Very nice design. So when you come here at Tai O, try to eat this one. It's a long queue, but it's really worth the wait. You will really enjoy in here, like a one-day tour here. And if you want to come here, you must come early because the food finishes very fast. And the Ping cable car and the big Buddha is just nearby. You can just take a bus going in that side or take taxi. But it's really worth spending time here because you will enjoy the life out of the city and you will enjoy the houses here. It's very different because the very old Chinese culture. This is free. Oh, thank you. Great taste. How much? Okay.
Yeah. $10.
Thank you.
Là mấy chị lên nói xào cổ cái đó là mấy chị đó.
I got a bargain. I have the mochi, and the ladies keep insisting me to buy. And it's very soft, as you can see, it's very soft. And this is the mango flavor, mango filling. I thought the mango is a paste, but it's actually a sliced mango, and they wrap it into a soft dough. This is a very famous Japanese mochi. This one is just wrapped into mango, sliced mango. And this one here, see that? It's very soft. Inside here is a peanut butter. Try it. She gave me the one to try. It tastes delicious, but this one I don't know. When you eat this, make sure you don't spit because it's a lot of powder and you might be choked. But it's very nice. It's very soft and the peanut is there. Look at that. It's a lot of powder, so I cannot take a photo, but you can see it. Yeah, it's very full of peanut crumble. Very nice. Oh my god. Very nice, eh? Your soul is very free. And I wish I could stay here. But I live very far, so I have to go home.